There may be too many problems to count with the Obama administration's healthcare website, but in an effort to break down the numbers, Politico brings you the 6 major players in the HealthCare.gov debacle. A lesser-known player, Marilyn Tavenner, is the administrator of the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services and has already been grilled by Senate and House committees. She argued the website has already made major improvements.
We have made significant progress in improving the performance and functionality of the website, and we expect the user experience to continue to improve with each passing week.
Of course, John Boehner is in the game. Even before the rollout, the speaker was not a fan. And now, with a report revealing millions won't be able to keep their existing plans, he's come out with a new ad.
If it hasn't changed since the law's passed.
Is that what they've been saying? White House spokesman Jay Carney was asked about the new line.
The president, as awesomely powerful as the office is, can't go back in time.
Back in 2010, Max Baucus, the Democrat from Montana, boasted that he was one of the key authors of the healthcare law. But as the legislation has caught more and more flack, he's distanced himself and even blasted the rollout.
Let me say right off the bat, this is unacceptable.
Jay Carney, the White House press secretary, has faced the media firing squad on a daily basis. Tough questions have been thrown at him, and his reaction has varied, dodging the question.
So I don't have a response to a specific proposed piece of legislation.
And sometimes mocking the questioner.
John, I get it, but the person who calls isn't the one who continues to wait after the paper application is filled.
Obamacare is, of course, the hallmark of President Obama's administration. He's been doing damage control, traveling around the country to tout the good parts of the Affordable Care Act and assure people it's more than a website.
There's a reason why it had never been done before. Starting with Harry Truman, people had talked about how we were going to make sure that everybody had affordable, quality health care. But through Democratic and Republican presidents and Congresses, we couldn't get it done. And the reason is it's hard.
And lastly, the key player in the debacle, Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius. She has apologized for the website flaws and promised to get everything on track, yet still can't give firm answers on enrollment numbers and what went wrong.
You deserve better. I apologize. In the last 5 weeks, access to HealthCare.gov has been a miserably frustrating experience for far too many of these Americans. It's unacceptable. I am focused on fixing it, and I'm accountable.
That's our list of the key players in the Obamacare website debacle. For Politico, I'm Paige Winfield Cunningham.